NOI, net operating income. Simply put, all income minus expenses. So, income would be the rent that is being collected from each tenant. That could be garage rental, could be laundry income, could be a number of things. You're going to want to make sure you get all income and understand what the going rate is in your or in that subject property area. You're also going to want to get all expenses. It is very important that you get actual income and expense figures, not potential. Most people will give you potential numbers selling the fact that the property could potentially get. If they could get those rents and those potential expenses, why aren't they? Note, it is very common for sellers or investors to overestimate the income and underestimate the expenses. Determining true income and expenses are a crucial part in finding the true income of an investment property. You can sometimes get a profit and loss statement, which should include 12 months of income and expenses from the seller that should shed some light on what they actually spent. I oftentimes ask for 2 to 3 years of profit and loss, but it is oftentimes guarded with their life. So that could be or should be a red flag for you. That means that it's your job to find the truth. You will get really good at investigating and finding the information you need. My recommendation is don't get stuck on what they spent. Get a good idea of what you are going to spend. For example, call your insurance agent and get a quote for the insurance coverage. Check and double check your numbers. Now, most expense categories, sellers may call them different things. For example, vacancies, and oftentimes investors don't count that as part of their investment. Also, collections or past due rents. Those are important. So, fixed expenses. There is a difference in your expenses. Fixed expenses, things that don't change much, would be utilities, taxes, insurance, management fees, etc. The variable expenses, so things that change all the time, which means you have to pay attention to what you're spending. Repairs and maintenance, marketing to rent the property, payroll, etc. You will want to verify each of these items to find an actual NOI for the property. If you have something missing, find out why. Did they combine items with another item? Are they managing the properties themselves? Maybe they're trying to hide expenses so they can get more money out of the property. It's important for you to do your own investigation.